Triumph Property Management in Las Vegas, Nevada presents a one-story house on 7781 Wading Bird Way in North Las Vegas, Nevada. This home is in the Northeast in an Aliante community with a community pool, clubhouse, golf, casino, and easy 215 access nearby. The home features an open living area with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and attached 2-car garage. The entry foyer has crown moldings, tile floor, and plantation shutters that all continues throughout the home. The dining area has a chandelier. The living room has a ceiling fan with light. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, granite counters, pantry, and all the appliances. The laundry area is in the kitchen and has storage cabinets and the washer and dryer included in the rent. The attached 2-car garage has an auto door opener, storage shelves, and direct entry to the home. The second bedroom has new carpeting and a ceiling fan with light. The third bedroom has new carpeting and a ceiling fan with light. The full second bathroom has a tile floor and a one-piece tub shower combo with glass shower doors. The master bedroom has new carpeting, ceiling fan with light, and a large walk-in closet. The master bathroom has a tile floor, double sink vanity, and a one-piece shower with glass shower doors. The home has an enclosed sunroom with pebble stone floor. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath house with 1,246 square feet is available now for rent. Contact one of Triumph's friendly real estate agents to view this property by calling 702-367-2323 or visit our website, vegasrentnow.com, to view a list of vacancies.